Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another income tip. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. Troubles in the Red Sea have not just given oil and gas marine shipping stock a boost. Dry bulk and container marine shipping stocks like Euroseas Ltd, traded on NASDAQ under symbol ESEA, are also seeing their profitability improve sharply as attacks on vessels in the Red Sea are forcing vessels to take longer travel routes. In fact, the container ship market has staged a big comeback in 2024 from their 2023 lows. In October, the going rate for 40-foot container was $1,342. By January 2024, the rate had surged 190% to $3,964, the highest rate on record. Freight rates have pulled back a little since then, but it still costs more than $2,900 to ship a 40-foot container. While disruption in the Red Sea will continue to be resolved, the container shipping industry is expected to remain robust, with demand coming from worldwide economic growth and the trade growth within intra-regional markets. At least this is the case for Euroseas, that has contracted revenue backlog of more than $350 million and significant revenue booked for 2025, with more than 25% of its operating days at a highly profitable levels. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Euroseas is, as you can guess, a marine shipping company that's been around for a century, but it actually only went public in 2005. The Athens, Greece-based company owns and operates dry bulk and container carrier vessels and is a provider of seaborne transportation for dry bulk and containerized cargoes. Now, the company also owns and operates dry bulk carriers that transport major bulks, such as iron ore, coal, and grains, and minor bulks, such as phosphate and fertilizers. Now, the company has a fleet of 19 vessels. That includes 12 feeder container ships and 7 intermediate container ships. The company's container ships have a cargo capacity of 58,861 TEUs, and that stands for 20-foot equivalent units, which is the length of container. But the company's about to get a lot bigger, including those ships under construction. Once completed, Euroseas fleet will increase to 26 container ships with a cargo capacity of about 75,460 TEUs, and it's on its way to completing those purchases. Most recently in February, the company took delivery of a 2,800 TEU feeder container ship new build in South Korea. Following its delivery, the vessel commenced an 8 to 10 month charter at a rate of $17,000 per day.
Euroseas has been reporting solid earnings and revenue growth.
Yeah, for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2023, Euroseas announced that its revenue increased 14% year over year to more than $49 million. Net income was up 21% at $24.7 million, or $3.56 per share. Now, on average, 19 vessels were operated during the fourth quarter of 2023, earning an average estimate time charter equivalent, or TCE, rate of $29,266 per day. Now, that's versus 18 vessels during the same period last year, averaging $29,399 per day. Now, for the full year, revenue grew 3.6% to $189.4 million, and net income advanced 7.8% to $114.5 million, or $16.52 per share.
And it hiked its quarterly dividends by 20%.
Yeah, after paying a reliable dividend for years, Euroseas actually paused its payout back in 2013. Changing industry dynamics, including increased profitability and earnings visibility, this has allowed the company to reinstate both its dividend and share reprogram just recently, back in May 2022. Fast forward to today, strong fourth quarter financial results and earnings visibility in 2024 and 2025 allowed the company's board to increase its quarterly distribution 20% to 60 cents per share, or $2.40 per share on an annual basis, for a current yield of 7.21%, which is more than double the current inflation rate.
ESEA stock is up 112% year over year.
Yeah, the big 20% increase in the company's quarterly distribution also happens to come at a time when Euroseas stock is on fire. As of this recording, ESEA stock is up 44% over the last 6 months, up 22% year to date, and a whopping 117% year over year. And the outlook for Euroseas remains pretty solid, with analysts providing a 12-month share price forecast of $49.50.
John, thank you so much for your analysis. Just to recap, Euroseas Ltd is a leading global marine shipping company with one of the lowest operating structures among publicly traded shipping companies. It has a large modern fleet that is going to get a lot larger in 2024, with its cargo capacity jumping 28% to 5,461 TEU. Euroseas continues to report solid financial results, has more than 350 million in backlog for 2024, and a significant revenues booked for 2025. It also has a significant buffer of almost 60 million of unrestricted cash, which it expects to increase in 2024. This is over and above the equity needed for its remaining new build program, increased dividends, and share repurchase program. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.